Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super handy: how to invite your family members to Spotify. If you've got a premium account and want to share the tunes without breaking the bank, the family plan is perfect for you. It lets up to 6 people enjoy ad-free music, offline listening, and more, all under one subscription. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Spotify premium account. If you're still on the free tier, you'll need to upgrade to at least premium individual before switching to family. Once you're set, open the Spotify app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. Log in, and then go to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Account. Now, look for the Subscription section. If you're not already on the family plan, you'll see an option to change your plan. Click on that and select Premium Family. Spotify might ask you to confirm your details, so go ahead and do that. Once you're subscribed to the family plan, it's time to invite your loved ones. Scroll down in your account settings until you see the Manage Plan or Family section. There, you'll find an Invite Family Members button. Click it, and Spotify will give you options to send invitations via email or a shareable link. Enter the email addresses of the family members you want to add. Make sure they're not already on another premium plan, as that could cause issues. After you send the invites, your family members will receive an email with a link. They'll need to click it, accept the invitation, and log in to their Spotify accounts. Once they do, they'll be added to your family plan automatically. That's it. You're all set to jam out together. One quick tip: if someone has trouble joining, double-check that they're using the correct email and that their account isn't restricted. Also, remember that the plan owner can remove members if needed, so you're in control. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.